In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Asana Premium, a powerful tool for managing your projects and teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. With all the features that Asana has to offer, you'll be able to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the timeline view, which acts like a digital Gantt chart. To start, just open any project you're working on. Once you're in the project, look for the Timeline tab at the top and give it a click. This will allow you to visualize the project's schedule. To set your task's start and end dates, simply click and drag the taskbars across the calendar. This makes it super intuitive to manage your due dates. Another useful feature is setting task dependencies. If you have a scenario where task A needs to be completed before task B can begin, you can just draw an arrow between the two. This visual representation will help in identifying potential bottlenecks in your workflow. And don't worry if your deadlines shift. You can easily click and drag the tasks to update them in real time, keeping your project aligned and responsive. Moving on, let's master advanced search and reporting in Asana. To access this feature, tap on the search bar and choose the Advanced Filters option. Here, you can set specific criteria for your search. For example, you might want to find tasks assigned to you this month or those categorized as high priority across various teams. Once you've refined your search, don't forget to save this customized report so you can access it again without having to set up the filters all over. Next, let's standardize your projects with custom fields. Click on the Customize button in the top right of your project. This is where you can add specific fields that are essential for your team, such as priority, budget, or status. By using these custom fields, you'll be able to sort and filter tasks efficiently, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding important details and updates. If you're managing multiple projects, you'll want to create a portfolio. Simply navigate to the Portfolios section within Asana and group related projects together for a high-level overview. This will allow you to monitor progress in real time and quickly understand the status and risks across all the initiatives you're overseeing. Now, let's talk about balancing team capacity with the workload feature. When you're inside a portfolio, click on the Workload tab to analyze your team's bandwidth. Here, you can see at a glance who is overloaded with tasks and who might have extra capacity. If you need to reassign tasks, you can simply drag and drop them within this view, which helps to prevent burnout and ensures a balanced workload across your team. Lastly, we can't overlook the importance of admin controls and security. If you're a super admin, make sure to head over to the Admin console. Here, you can manage user permissions and set security rules to protect your organization's data. I highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication to bolster your organization's data integrity even further. And there you have it. By utilizing these features in Asana Premium, you can transform how you manage projects and enhance team collaboration. I hope this video helps you get the most out of Asana. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.